Let us start with the grammar topic, degrees of comparison. So you might have come across in our intermediate and 10th level. Let us revise. You know, degrees of comparison denotes using the adjectives and adverbs to compare things without changing the meaning of the sentences. There are three degrees of comparison. They are the positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. So, what is positive? The positive degree of an adjective is an adjective in simple form. It is used to denote mere existence of some quality. It is used to speak about only one person or thing. For example, Mary is a tall girl. Ravi is a strong boy. Rose is a beautiful flower. So, if you observe these three sentences, you could understand that no comparison is made or speak about only one person. That means Mary, Ravi, and Rose flower. So, let us come to the second one, comparative degree. We use the comparative degree to compare a person or a thing with another person or thing. It is used to compare two persons or two things with each other. With each other. This is very important thing. Example, Mary is taller than her sister. So who are the two people here? Mary and her sister. So the two persons are compared. And when you come to the second sentence, no, Ravi is stronger than Razu. Rose is more beautiful than Lily. So comparison between two people, things only. Here you should note one important thing. When there is a comparison between two persons, places, or things, there is no place to superlative degree. That means when you are using two people or two places or two things, there is no scope or possibility of superlative degree. Using it in superlative is to be considered wrong. For example, select the best pen between these two. It's a wrong usage. Why? Because when two pens are there, you should not go with the superlative form of adjective, that is the best. So instead of this, we go like this. Select better pen between these two. So please note it. When there is a comparison between two people or two persons or two things, there is no place for superlative degree. Yeah. Let us come to superlative degree. We use the superlative degree to compare a person or thing with his, her, its whole group. It is used to compare more than two persons or things with one another. For example, Mary is the tallest girl in the class. You know what does it mean? We are taking all the girls in the class and compared the height of Mary with other girls in the class. So finally we disclosed Mary is the tallest girl. Similarly, Ravi is the strongest boy in our village. Rose is the most beautiful flower. So here, comparison with the whole group. So we can say that degrees of comparison are of three types: positive, comparative and superlative.